This is a really cool tech tool if you want to try to play class games with your virtual students or with hybrid, so you have half virtual, half in person, and you're kind of sick of just the same old Kahoots, Quizlet Lives, and things that you guys always do as a class. So this just kind of mixes it up for you. It's called Brightful Meeting Games. So you're going to go to brightful.me, and that'll take you to a very easy way to make a free account. This is my account currently. And once you are in there, you can scroll down and see all the different Brightful games that you can play. There are custom ones as well, which I've never used before, but things that people have created, ones for Thanksgiving. They're just based on what's going on in the world. But the ones that I like to use with my classes are these down here. So Draw It is kind of like Pictionary, but they're able to do it on the screen. Would You Rather, Spot My Lie, kind of like Two Truths and a Lie. Trivia, Describe It, Werewolf, Hearts, and Rummy. There are also more if you click here, but it tells you how many players are recommended for each one. So you can see based on your class, it tells you a little how to play. But if I were to select one, I just update the settings a little bit, enter game room, and then it's super easy to share with my students because it is going to give me an invitation to copy or a game room ID. So just like Kahoot, you can give students an ID, but it tells us how to play. I can copy that invitation. I can put it in my Zoom chat or on my Google Classroom and then wait for my players to join. I would click Start Game and it's going to have us get started right there. So up here, again, I can kind of just change the settings if I need to, restart, or switch to another game. But there are tons of different options, and it's just a super cool way to, like I said, mix it up. You can do it content related if you want to have them drawing topics that you're learning in class, or you can just do something fun on a Friday when you have extra time. But there are a ton of games that you can play, a ton of customized games. And then, like I said, there are some custom to the time. You can also make a game if you get really comfortable with Brightful, but for now, all that I have used with my students is Draw It, Would You Rather, Spot My Lie. We've done Trivia and Describe It, and they really enjoy all of them. So this is a cool way to play class games with your virtual kids and kind of get out of the Kahoot routine. So brightful.me.